to watch my video. I'm Yining. In this video, I will share some of my self-reflection about course management 5050. To be honest, I think I have achieved results that I'm quite satisfied with both the blog and the case study report. Most of the feedback about opportunities for improvement came from the case study report. In the feedback I received from my tutor, Betty, she mentioned that I should use key concepts, analysis, and readings to link to my arguments to make my arguments stronger. For example, when I analyzed the case of Accenture, I identified the issue of pluralism in the ethical code, but instead of mentioning ethical pluralism in my report, I mentioned some related issue such as ethical issue due to cultural differences. Missing the key concepts makes my arguments without sufficient support. There will be many writing tasks in my future studies and work. I will do my best to support arguments I proposed by using key concepts and sufficient resources. As I mentioned before about pluralism, in the week 6 case lecture, Lin discussed ethical pluralism that had the most impact on me. In the background of the globalization of business, ethical decision-making has become more complex. The lecture mentioned 3 theories: ethical imperialism, ethical relativism, and ethical pluralism. Whereas first 2 theories are quite extreme in reality, ethical pluralism is a theory between imperialism and relativism. My understanding of ethical pluralism is that while respecting the ethics and culture of the country, we need to identify the harmful parts and we have responsibility to engage in trying to change this harmful culture. We cannot change it immediately, but we need to help the culture understand why it is harmful. For example, child labor is legal in many developing countries, and this behavior takes away a child's right to be educated, which is harmful to children, even if it will save on labor costs for the company. In my future studies and work, I will experience different cultures and from different countries, and this knowledge will help me to judge the right or wrong of ethical issues. I believe that ethics are fundamental in learning and working life. According to Newbert and Martinez, virtue as a framework for ethics can reflect a person's good character, and virtue can help me to make decisions and take actions that are consistent with good character. Virtue ethics help me to keep justice and fairness, have courage to face difficulties, trust others, care for others, and have self-confidence. All this virtue will help me to have good characters and succeed in my studies and work. By completing the course management 5050, I have significantly improved my knowledge of ethics and some professional skills. I believe that this knowledge will help me to complete my study and start my career on the right track. That's all for my self-reflection. Thanks for your watching.